I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
So what's up everybody, and Merry Christmas, guys. I know this is coming very early, but guys, we are just 1 month to Christmas. Today is 2nd of November, but guys, we only have 1 month to Christmas. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back to watch my videos. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly give me a subscription. It is free and free of charge. And guess what we're gonna be doing today, guys? Today we're gonna be cooking chapati. Remember, this is where you learn different tips on how to handle different situations. And today we're gonna be cooking chapati. And to our recipe today, guys, we're gonna be using wheat flour. This is 3 cups of wheat flour, and of course we're gonna be using some little salt, and again some little sugar. This is purposely for the taste of chapati. And guys, here we have the cooking oil, and of course I like using cowboy because it gives a very yummy chapatis. And of course, guys, we're gonna be using water. This is water. You know, people say that when you use hot water you get very soft chapatis, but guys, today I'm gonna be using cold water, and I want to see, can I get yummy and fluffy chapatis from cold waters? Watch out this video from the beginning to the end and see the end product of this video, guys. Welcome. And cold water, like I said, many people say that hot water gives very soft chapatis, but guys, I want to prove them wrong because today I'm gonna be using cold water, and that is what we are using right now. So let's see the end product of this. Will our chapatis be soft because we are using cold water? Let's see, guys. Be sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end, guys, so as to see the end product.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same.
So guys, at this point you add some little oil. This oil will help the mixture to be, that is the dough to be more soft. So that is what we are doing now. It is yellow because we are using cowboy. Like I said, cowboy. I like using cowboy because it gives us very nice and brown chapatis, guys. Right now we use oil to make the dough soft. You can see it is already soft.
Who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through?
So guys, dough is now ready, and what we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna be covering it for like 20 minutes so that, guys, it can raise. So guys, we've covered it and gonna be waiting for 20 minutes. or 15. That is, let's talk of between 15 and 20 minutes. Then after there, we can continue with our chapatis. So guys, let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're gonna be back. Guys, remember to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, for these kind of videos and many that are coming, kindly subscribe. Can you introduce yourself? Give yourself a shout out.
I'm Jacqueline. In TikTok, Barikiwa.
Yeah, guys, go to TikTok, follow her TikTok. She is Mubarikiwa. Guys, those who know my TikTok account, it's Christine Kavanda. Guys, go there, follow me, follow Mubarikiwa for this kind of videos and more. Like this Christmas, you have more videos for us this Christmas.
Yeah.
As guys, you can see from that far in, guys, we've already started enjoying our Christmas mode. I love this moment. So you're gonna be giving us a lot of videos for Christmas, yes, different recipes. So guys, kindly support us, subscribe to this channel as well. Ukienda pale kwa YouTube channel, just tap the subscribe button, guys, na utakuwa umetusupport. Also, thank you so much for those who watch our videos. Thank you for coming. So guys, wacha tungoje 20 minutes. You can see what Jacqueline asked for us. So guys, this is after 15 minutes. We are back again. As usual, guys, remember to watch this video to the end. And right now, guys, we're gonna be applying oil. Unaona zile chapati watu nasema ni za layers. Oh, I was almost saying layers, but I mean layers. Zile ziko na vitabu. Guys, this is how you gotta do it. So right now, she gonna be applying oil on top of the inaitwaje? So she's gonna be applying oil. So let's see how she will do it. So there we go. Remember, guys, I said I use cowboy. That is why you see this yellow. It's because we use cowboy to cook chapati. You can use any other type of oil. It is not that it's not restricted to cowboy. You can use any other type of oil, but as for me, guys, I like using cowboy, and that is what she is using right now. So guys, that's how she, wow, look at this, guys. So wewe kama uko hapo na unaulizanga na zile chapati za layers, how are they done? This is how they are done, guys. You've seen, unapaka mafuta on top, then you fold, then this is what you get. So let's see, guys. So she will do this repeatedly to all this, ya kwanza mpaka ya mwisho. Guys, we are done na kukuja chapati zetu, and now we're gonna start cooking. So let's see, guys. You know, some of us have a very big challenge with making good rounds, but you see, guys, once you've folded them like this, it's not a challenge to get a good round. You can see how this one is becoming. She's getting a very good round. Huh? So guys, I know most people wanakuanga na this challenge of making round chapatis, but I can see this lady has just done it comfortably, no struggles, no strain. So let's see, guys.
It's wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have.
And guys, on the other side, she's preheating the pan.
Lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me.
guys, these are our chapatis ready for cooking. Unaona hizo rounds namna gani guys? Tumpe ngapi out of 10? Unaweza mpatia at the comment section. Tell us what you can give this lady in terms of round. Unaweza jipatia ngapi wewe?
85.
85. That is around 8.5 out of 10 guys. So at the comment section, what can you give her in terms of making good rounds? So let's see how it goes down.
Not the one who always comes through. Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell.
So guys, here we go. The chapatis. Guys, don't mind about the pan, eh? Guys, you know this is sufurias kamukuji. You know they come together as a set of sufurias. Unfortunately guys, I did not get the best sufuria. By then ile nini ya papo inakuanga na pan yake. And I think I don't know sijui ilienda wapi. So guys, that is our chapatis. First of all, she gonna be drying them. Then after dry, atapaka mafuta. So let's go guys. You're gonna give chapati time so as to cook well, because if you do it in a hurry, you might not cook them well. So for them to be ready vizuri, ziive vizuri mpaka ndani, you must give chapati time. So at this time guys, she's giving chapati enough time to cook.
Some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face, say it to my face, to my. Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here.
So guys, here we are. Hey, these ones look so yummy. Look so yummy. Very well cooked, brown, just like I said. Unaona zinakaa yellow. This is because of my very well. And then finally we have that. So guys, this is how our chapatis look like. We want to see whether we were able to achieve the goal of the layers. We want to see the layers, guys. You can see already the layers are there with us. Wow, look at this. Very soft at the same time. You can try to squeeze them to see how soft it is. It's hot guys, by the way it is hot. Guys, unaona, the chapati is very soft. It has layers just like we promised to do layers. So my point is guys, you can still use cold water and get very soft chapatis just like we've used cold water. So guys, you can see chapatis iko na layers vizuri, ni moto wanachomeka. Yeah, so you can see ziko na layers just like we said, and at the same time guys, these chapatis are very very soft. So thank you guys for watching this. If you are not subscribed guys for this kind of videos and more that coming, especially for this Christmas, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free and free of charge guys. If you want to be part of this family, tap the join button. So thank you so much. for those who are coming back to watch our videos, and from us guys, we're gonna say good